Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to update the certification details that have been done by the employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on any complete profile section from the landing page. Under the various details that need to be filled, the user can click on the certification detail section and the corresponding fields are displayed. Here, the name and the type of the certificate along with the mode and the details whether the certification is done internally, the type of certification that has been done, the sponsorship about the certification, and the time period on which the employee has took up the certification can be mentioned. New certificate details can also be added and existing certificate details can be removed. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the user can simply click the Save and Next option. And the certificate details for that particular employee has been updated, the green tick has been displayed, and the profile completion percentage is also increased for that particular employee. Thank you for watching.